Shalom. In Nehemiah chapter 8, Nehemiah, Ezra, and the Israelites who left the Persian captivity and went back to Jerusalem to keep the Feast of Tabernacles during their day, they dwelt in booths, tents, for 7 days. They did their best during their generation to keep the feast of Yah with gladness. Some set up their booths, tents, in their courts. Some set up their booths on their rooftops. Some set up their booths, their tents in the courts of the house of Yah, also known as a synagogue or temple, within in the courts, like a yard, and in the street of the water gate, and the street of gate of Ephraim. You can find this in Nehemiah chapter 8, 9 to 16. They kept the feast with gladness. This Feast of Tabernacles, as commanded by Ahijah throughout their generations, as an everlasting law, as statute, was given to Moses to share with the children of Israel, to do them as mentioned in Leviticus 23:33 to 40.